Evaluating and improving the performance of machine learning models. There are several ways to evaluate and improve the performance of machine learning models. Here are a few tips. Use appropriate evaluation metrics. Depending on the problem and the type of model, different evaluation metrics may be more appropriate. For example, accuracy is a common metric for classification problems, while mean squared error is often used for regression problems. Split your data into training and test sets. Use a portion of your data for training the model and a separate portion for evaluating its performance. This helps to ensure that the model is not overfitting to the training data. Use cross-validation. It is a technique that allows you to estimate the performance of your model on unseen data by splitting your data into multiple training and test sets and averaging the results. Regularization. Regularization is a technique used to prevent overfitting by adding a penalty term to the cost function during training. Common regularization techniques include L1 and L2 regularization. Hyperparameter tuning. Machine learning models often have a number of adjustable parameters called hyperparameters. These can be tuned to optimize the performance of the model. Common techniques for hyperparameter tuning include grid search and random search. Ensemble methods. Ensemble methods combines multiple models to improve the performance. Common ensemble methods include bagging, boosting and stacking. Data preprocessing. Data preprocessing is an important step in the machine learning pipeline. Common techniques include normalization, one-hot encoding, and imputation. Feature selection. Feature selection is the process of identifying a subset of the most relevant features from the original feature set. This can improve the performance of the model by reducing overfitting and increasing interpretability. For example, deep learning algorithms like CNNs and RNNs are often used for image and time series data, while decision trees and random forests are commonly used for tabular data. Monitor performance over time. Machine learning models need to be retrained and updated as new data becomes available. It is important to monitor the performance of the model over time and retrain as needed to prevent a decline in performance due to changing data distributions or other factors. Try to understand why it is not working well. Try to understand the reasons why a model is not performing well. It could be due to poor quality data, lack of data, or a poor choice of features. Once the problem has been identified, steps can be taken to rectify it. Deployment and monitoring. Once a model is trained and deployed, it is important to monitor its performance in production and troubleshoot any issues that may arise. This can include monitoring model performance, tracking errors, and implementing techniques such as A/B testing and canary releases to test new models before fully deploying them. In summary, evaluating and improving the performance of machine learning models is an iterative process that requires a combination of techniques and approaches. It is important to have a good understanding of the problem you are trying to solve, the characteristics of your data, and the strengths and weaknesses of different algorithms and architectures. Thank you.